Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 52, class 9 science for the date 6th November. As you know that your chapter tissue is going on, today we are going to discuss the connective tissue. Now the Gyan is asking, is blood is also a type of tissue? Yes. Those tissue cells which are loosely spaced and are embedded in an intracellular matrix are all known as connective tissue. So blood is also a kind of tissue. There are two components which are there in a connective tissue. One is known as cellular component and another is known as intercellular matrix. This matrix can be jelly-like, fluid, dense or rigid, and the nature of matrix depends upon the specific function performed by the connective tissue. So we are going to study different types of connective tissue, that is blood, bone, cartilage, ligament, tendon, areolar and adipose. Firstly, when we talk of blood, it has a liquid matrix which is known as plasma, yellowish in color, having three different types of cells: RBC, WBC and platelets, which are freely suspended and transport gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, digested food, hormones, excretory substances, etc. You can see from the picture also. Next is we are going to study about the bone. It is strong and non-flexible tissue. Bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix that is composed of calcium and phosphorus. The matrix is made up of calcium and phosphorus, and it provides skeleton, or you can say framework, to the body. It also helps in muscles support and the main organ of the body. Next is cartilage. It is a solid matrix composed of protein and sugar, due to which it is strong and flexible tissue. Its cells are widely spaced and usually in a pair embedded in the matrix. It is found in nose, ear, trachea and larynx. It is also found at both the ends of the bones and make bones surface smooth at joints, thus providing mechanical protection. Then is the ligaments and tendons. The ligament connects bone to bone. They are elastic and strong tissue. Tendons connect muscle to bone, which has a limited flexibility. Next is areolar tissue. It fills the space inside the organs, support internal organs and help in repair of tissue. It is also found between the skin and muscles and around blood vessels and nerves and in the bone marrow. Next is adipose tissue. It stores fat in the body. The cells of the tissue are filled with fat globules. It is found below the skin and between internal organs. Adipose tissue acts as an insulator of heat, making our body temperature, keeping our body temperature at 37 degrees Celsius. Let's see the question answers. What are connective tissue? Explain with example. So the connective tissues, those tissues whose cells are loosely spaced and are embedded in an intercellular matrix, are known as connective tissue. Example, blood. Loosely spaced cells are RBC, WBC and platelets, and matrices of plasma. Second, what are the function of ligaments and tendons? Ligament connect bone to bone to form joints. Tendon connect muscle to bone. Third is, where are areolar and cartilage tissue found? Areolar tissue, it is found between the skin and muscle, around blood vessels and nerves and in the bone marrow. Cartilage tissue, it is found in nose, ear, trachea, larynx, and it is also found at both the ends of bones and make bones surface smooth. Fourth question, name a connective tissue which has a liquid matrix. Also write its function. So blood is a connective tissue which has a liquid matrix known as plasma. Its function is transport gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, digested food, hormones, excretory substances from one part to the another. Next is, thanks for watching. These 4 questions are only there. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.